Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back here with K&A's Family Homestead. Do I got something for you? All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back. We about to start something that I should have did a long time ago once I started the garden, and that is a compost bin. I know, shame on me, but it's never too late as long as you start now, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start right now, put these together. I do got some pallets that are in good shape, good boards, and I got some techniques how to put it together and some things I want to show you along the way. So follow me and let's get this done. Probably wondering why I ripped it in half, but these are all going to get ripped and go in between those pallets. So I'm really not worried about splitting it or breaking it. Take my time. But let me keep going because we got a lot to go. All right, guys, well, here we go. These pallets here got about maybe a 2-inch opening here, and we don't want that. We don't want to be able to put whatever in the compost to be able to fall in the back, and then we'll never be able to get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and not close the gap, but I'm gonna put a smaller piece, a wedging right in between these gaps here, so we can pretty much close up the gap just a little bit, not all the way, because we do want the airflow to go in and out from the back, the sides, the front, and as well as the top. So the more airflow in your compost, the faster it breaks it down and the more efficient your compost will be, and the faster it get done, the faster you get to throw it right back into your garden, so it can, do its thing. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and seal those, make those little gaps a little smaller. So here we go. go, guys. Did this first, but what I did was I turned them around so I can nail them together, because that's going to be the back side. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn them back to the right side and finish it from there. But right now I got to connect these guys together, and yeah, after that we'll be all set. All right, guys, welcome back. Next morning, didn't get to finish. It was getting a little too dark. Try to record, and it looked real crappy. So I'm just gonna go over some of the things that you missed and show you what I'm gonna do from there. All right, guys. So here where we left off on the back pallets, we butted them together, secured that so there's all in one piece. Put in the side rails to cover the gaps, make them a little smaller. And where we left off exactly was putting these side pallets together. And pretty much what I did was notched it out on the corner of the pallets so I can be able to fit them in and tack them on the side. And the same thing I did with the one over there. What else? Also, this here, I just actually ripped it down to the size, and it's not secure. I gotta go and nail that in. And I also put a 1x6 on the bottom, and that's just to you know, secure the foundation, the bottom of it, just in case any winds or anything like that, won't get knocked over or pushed around. So that's what I did with that. I like it. It's looking very, very good. My idea as I was doing this, because I really didn't have a plan. Usually I do, but I just went along with everything. The back sides, if you see, they're taller. And initially I was gonna do it all the same size. But then I was thinking about, what about the top? So I turned them around so it'd be just a little shorter, and came up with an idea to go put some pallets on the top, and it will cover the top area, which I thought it was an awesome idea. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and secure some of the outside, which I already did, but yesterday was getting dark and I tried to finish it, and you know, made a couple boo-boos. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to secure, put some more nails on the bottom, secure the middle piece, make sure that's stabled, and nail it to the back as well, and get this nice and sturdy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the top down. But guys, like I said, it's not too late to start a compost. It could be in the beginning of the year, the middle of the year, the end of the year. It doesn't matter, as long as you start it. It's very good, especially if you're a gardener. This is something I should have started before I did my garden, so I can be ready. But like I said, it's never too late. I got my garden up, and this will definitely benefit from it as time goes by. All right, guys, well, let me get started, finish this up, because I got so much to do today. All right, guys, stay tuned. well, I went ahead and put a 1x3, or should I say 1x6 on here just to secure it. I think once I put those pallets on, they're almost the exact size of a pallet, so I'm trying to scoot it over just a little bit, but just in case, I went ahead and put those brace on top to hold it if it ever collapses or falls or shifts or anything like that. I have something to stabilize it on the bottom. But yeah, so far it's looking good, and I'm about to go ahead and put the tops, and hopefully everything falls in just the way I want it. Woo! Yes, here we go, guys. The 2 pallet compost bins, all from the pallets. Right here, they're open. I got the tarp for now, and that's just pretty much is gonna close it tight, so none of the chickens will go in. But eventually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some hinges, some door hinges. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on these blocks here. And I'm also gonna do it on this side, so they're gonna open in and out. I have to be able to lock it in the middle. But right now, this is what it is, guys. All out of pallets. I get to finally start my composting and start building some good organic compost. And I'm definitely gonna keep you involved in the loop. Everything I do, everything I put in here, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you. And I am gonna go, guys, straight organic, straight to source, and make the best compost I can make right out of my home. All right, guys, well, that's what I have for you, guys. It's free compost bin, all from the pallets, reused nails, everything was good. That tarp right there was an extra tarp, and I'm actually out of tarps, but everything was free. Loved it, couldn't beat it. Now start my composting is what I'm gonna do. So till next time, guys, take care. Hit the thumbs up, and if you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I see you in the next video, guys. Take care, and God bless.
I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that.